Pemihwe FC. Ni Capre boy FC. No. Come on.
SOMPA Sports.
They are pushing above their weight, but they are lucky. I'm off a year. Send now, Michelle. That's your own. Say, Alexis McAllister. They were part of Carlos McAllister.
Yes.
They had to. I'm saying go to join in our call for my mom papa panichao because McAllister say England who say McAllister the release clause in the 10 tema. We didn't can Liverpool benya.
Oh, the win car go for no crowd.
Because the 35 million in a bit next year. But in Kadampa can say I'm not command wages I won't to now to be a secret. This you get my point. Lillian Thuram so Sahara my end. Matt tapping up. Almost started. I feel no more negotiating with Borussia Mönchengladbach for Manu Kone. I don't know Borussia Mönchengladbach at 40 million euros, almost than 25 million euros. You get a point. So you could clearly see, say, I'm going to capture boys. Grabbing back, I'm the price, and you know money didn't, 25, 30. With the players, no, next level for. Oh, Mujidi say, I'm beating my resume profile. I'm going to they will be that for. And but they are Bellingham moment window. No one's on
They got on mail cry. Or that's guys can phone or
you're hearing him say by Monday, Tuesday, you guys will see proper development on both fronts. Gabi Veiga, no. What on the release clause, no?
Gabi Veiga. And also was sure
30 million.
On the near of him.
And now, I'm not tapping the upper. Newcastle for no Newcastle, but Newcastle for no coin. I'm catch you say. Oh yes, no. Until Ube Tria agents fee, Dodo. Gabriel Veiga say Piniza Harvey, only jacket. But they are lucky because McAllister, Thuram, Omunina, Papa Mone control. And even Manu Kone like this, most of the decisions he takes, Lillian Thuram now because of sending obeying the band. Oh, okay. Until advice free, they are lucky, man.